Welcome to Walk Around with Ralph. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you get all of our videos in the future and help us out a little bit. We're here today at beautiful downtown Fort Stanton. As a veteran of the Navy and the National Guard and a career firefighter, I have to stop at places like this. They have a special place into me, and they're kind of hollowed ground. Now, this place has a cemetery that is populated by a lot of merchant marines. Those guys were got the credit of going to war and doing all the other stuff, but they really didn't get the credit of being in the actual Navy. But without them, it would have been a lot longer and harder battle. Anyway, we're going to walk around Fort Stanton today just because it's here and because we're up in the mountains and going past it. So let's take a look at it. Come here, Gertrude. We're going to get a little bit broader look here at the Fort Stanton sign. It's not too far out of the way as you're going up to Lincoln and Capitan. Just come on over and take a look at the place. You won't regret it. It's a fun tour. Okie dokie. We're going to walk across the road here from the Fort Stanton sign, mainly because they have a beautiful old gun over here that I want to get a look at. I got Gertrude doing the camera duties, and Sam, of course, is my sound engineer today. We're going to let Gertrude follow us over here and take a look at what we got. I was in the Air Defense Artillery, 1st and 200th, pardon me. We got a points of interest sign. We used to have one of these sitting right downtown Roswell, and they took it out for whatever the reason. Anyway, I'm always interested in these old guns. Anything to do with artillery and Navy and rockets. I was a crew chief or staff sergeant on the M42 anti-aircraft gun. I was your squad leader on there, and we did pretty good. We switched over to chaparrals. We got Top Gun 2 years in a row on the chaparrals, which was basically a sidewinder. And here we are. Fort Stanton, named for Captain Henry Stanton, was established to control the Mescalero Apache. It was burned and evacuated by Union troops in 1861, held briefly by Colonel Kit Carson for the Union in 1862. Since it's abandoned as a military post, it has been used as a hospital. So that's kind of unique. Let's come out this way. And let's see if we can come back around. Get a little better view here. There we go. Now I think we got Gertrude doing a good job here. Come on back here, Gertrude. Let's... Okie dokie. We got Gertrude doing us a little bit of a orbit here around this unfunctional gun. If we ever have aircraft attack, I don't know what they'll do. Anyway, she's doing a really nice job today. They supposedly smoothed out the orbit function in the last firmware update. So hopefully it sure looks like she's doing good. Good job, Gertrude. Okie dokie. We're here at this beautiful Fort Stanton Cemetery in memory of the men and women of the American Merchant Marine. Like I said, they got all the benefit of going to war and without being recognized for being in the actual Navy, but without them, it would have been a lot harder fought battle. So that's what we're doing here, just to bring a little bit of honor to this place as a veteran. Come here, Gertrude. Okie dokie, we're gonna get one zoom out. Just to show you the expanse of this beautiful cemetery down here. Gertrude's coming back. She's bucking a little bit of wind today. Okie dokie, this is the first time I've ever had a question of flying the Hoover Air X-1 anywhere. One of the staff came out and asked me if I knew there was an airport nearby. I explained to him the limitations of the drone, but I also showed him what I do every time before I fly any of my drones. I go on AirAware and get permission to fly directly from the FAA, and I showed him that they were in unrestricted airspace and that I was clear to fly not only my Hoover Air, but bigger drones if I wanted to. They were grateful for the information, and I continued my flights. Thank you so much, Fort Stanton. We really appreciate you.